Welcome to eDynamic Learning's Creating a Group tutorial. Let's get started. Creating groups is an excellent way to organize your students in courses. You can use groups to connect students according to performance, send group messages, assign group activities, create quick group intervention tasks, award group badges, and filter your list views. Once logged into your teacher app, click on the People icon in the activity stream of the course you want to create the group for. Once there, click on the Tools icon and then on Manage Groupings. From the Manage Groupings page, click the Add Grouping link to create your group. First, enter the group prefix, or the name you would like to call your group. Next, use Group Creation method to determine how you want your group set up. Target number of students will be the default, and if this option is selected, you will be able to choose the number of students you would like in each group. You can also select Fixed Number of Groups if you wish to establish a specific number of groups. Next, you can enter the number of students you want in each group if you chose target number of students during the previous step. Or you can enter the number of groups you want to create if you selected Fixed Number of Groups. Last, you can determine how you want your groups established by selecting one of the 8 options for assigning students. The options are None, which allows you to hand-pick your own student groups, Random Assignment, Alphabetical by first name, Round Robin, which assigns the first student in the list to the first group, the second student to the second group, and so on. If there are only 3 groups, the 4th student is assigned to the first group, the 5th student to the second group, and so on. Homogeneous by performance, which groups students with those who have the most similar scores. Heterogeneous by performance, which evenly distributes performance, so groups end up with a balanced range of scores. Heterogeneous by performance, top-bottom, which groups the highest scoring students with the lowest scoring, then the next highest with the next lowest, and so on. Heterogeneous by performance, first and third quarter, second and fourth quarter, which groups the highest scoring student with the lowest scoring student, next highest with the next lowest, and so on, and groups change by quarter. Once complete, click Generate to create your group. Buzz will automatically distribute students based on your criteria, unless none was selected for group assignment. If you ever want to adjust your group assignments, you can simply uncheck the box for your student's current group and place the check mark within the group column you want to add them to. Likewise, if you selected None as your group assignment, you can determine which group your students are in by placing a check mark to the right of their name within the group column you want to add them to. Once finished, click Save. That brings us to the end of the Creating a Group tutorial. If you have any questions, please view this tutorial again or contact us directly at 1-877-585-2029.